Hello everyone, I'm John from Avalon. Today I'm going to talk about UI Kit and how can you create your own UI kits from any existing designs in the OneWeb platform. As you may know, a UI kit is a set of ready-to-use components, layouts, and templates that designers can directly use or even copy and paste into their user interfaces to quickly create better UI designs. We can say it's like a fast tool that can help you hasten the entire design workflow without drawing every UI from scratch. For example, here I'm working on one of my current CRM projects and I would like to build some UI kits from this design and distribute them among my teams or publish it on our OneWeb marketplace. So let's see how to create UI kits. To create UI kits from your existing design, you can start with the OneWeb page designer. Let's say we want to convert the login page as a UI kit. So we open the login page in the designer, open the tree structure, and check the div section that contains the entire screen UI. To save this as UI kit, click on the UI kit icon and then on this plus icon to create the UI component. Give your component a name, let's say login page. Select any category as per your preference and click on the create button to save this UI. You can also upload an image for this UI kit. Please note that the image should be in the PNG format with a 1:1 aspect ratio and a transparent background. Now this UI kit will start to appear under the content section inside the UI kits. Similarly, you can open any page and choose any section. Let's say the profile section on this page and save it as a UI kit. Now all your UI kits will start to appear under user customized UI kits. Let's see how to use them inside your application. Here you have a new demo page. You can delete all the default UI elements. Open UI kits and select any of the UI kit that you would like to use. Simply drag and drop inside the canvas and save your configuration to create the login page design. Also, to use the UI kits contain only a part or any section of the UI, you can click on Add Components to choose the appropriate placeholders for them. For example, drag the grid in this case and drag and drop your profile section UI kit inside this grid to create your desired UIs. In the next video, you will see how you can export or import these UI kits as a zip file and distribute them among the OneWeb platform. Thank you for watching this video.